investigations there. Let's talk about, remember, as far as the so-called air pollution protests that had turned about everything else except air pollution that happened in Delhi near the India Gate. Delhi police now seems to be batting for UAPA against protesters who eulogized Hidma, as far as when it comes to, in a way, praising Hidma, the Naxal commander who was killed in an encounter by the security forces. Now, in a detailed submission before the court, the Delhi police has strongly argued that the actions of the accused fall under the ambit of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, citing serious concerns related to national security, digital evidence tampering, and alleged link to banned organizations. According to the police's arguments, freedom of speech is not an absolute right, and restrictions under Article 19(2) of the Constitution were applicable in this case. The police has now informed the court that the accused were using mobile phones with auto-delete features, that the devices have now been sent for forensic science laboratory for analysis. Let's connect with Priyank on this. Priyank, as far as when it comes to individuals in the case are concerned, FIR that has also been registered, does it amount to the case that it could build under UAPA?
That is what the Delhi police has been hinting, Amita, because twice in this particular remand note copy, the court has mentioned the mentioning by the Delhi police, where the cops have been saying that the mobile phones which were used by these accused were also on the auto-delete mode. And very importantly, one line which is saying that the organizations banned by the government of India under the UAPA clearly mentions that anyone who extends support to such entities, knowingly or unknowingly, can be treated as an offender of the law, which means that the kind of act which has been done by these suspects by promoting and trying to raise the supporting voice and attacking police persons about someone who had been accused of killing more than 200 police persons in Chhattisgarh and Sukma area is certainly act which should be liable under the UAPA. What my sources have been indicating that there's a legal opinion which is being taken by the Delhi police officials from the top luminaries so that this section can be added. But since we know that these are the protesters who came in the garb of pollution protesters, and are also claiming that they are students. So
if it does come under the ambit of the UAPA, what is now being said on part of the security forces as far as when it comes to their alleged links to banned organizations as well, and government of India, which is governed as far as when it comes to anyone under the UAPA, anyone found to be extending support to such entities, knowingly or unknowingly, can be treated as an offender under the law. Thank you very much, Priyank, for joining in with those details. The morning news are continuing.